There is a restaurant dedicated to Ukrainian, authentic Ukrainian food, local cuisine, that's called Seven Piggies. It's been in Lviv for about 25 years. It has authentic decor and it has food like we remembered from childhood, made with love, made with loving, caring hands of cooks. The prices are more affordable than in the center. Let me show you. Disclaimer, this is an advertisement of the restaurant and I'm so excited to talk about it. The owner, she's supporting us. She wants the world to know about her and we are so excited to talk about it because it brings us back to our childhood. It reminds us of our culture. This is our treasure. You can see the decor inside of the restaurant. It feels like it has specific character and identity. You feel like you are being enriched when you go inside. Thank you, Mom, for filming. I am hungry. I want to try some good food.
You are hungry. I'm starving, Irina. I'm starving, literally. Praise Irina's mama because doing the operator job is most difficult task and
Thank
most
you.
annoying. Guys, we want to be genuine. I have already found this restaurant together with my friend Brit and Mary, who are living nearby. They say, we found our fab place, so you should go with us and try it. I've tried and said, it was good for video just to show guys how authentic it looks and how are the dishes. And after, it got blessing, Ira calls me. And we are here. Just if Brit and Mary are watching this video, they would not let me to lie.
I think we will have as a reward very interesting, good dinner. Eugenia, what is this famous dish?
This is salo, actually. Salo with meat. Salo with meat even better than salo just that has a marinated pork, like fat. So,
Would you call it bacon?
in Ukraine, we actually not calling it bacon. We're just calling it salo з прорізю.
Wow. This is like in a feast in childhood in a village, no?
Yeah, really, this amazing flavors and I'm just...
What is your favorite dish here?
Well, I guess голубці. Голубці is rice with meat, with cabbage, yes, and very nice. With the sauce, sauce can be a sour cream or mushroom sauce. It's very delicious, really.
I actually knew that you will give this answer because I remember you telling me always that you made голубці and you're eating them at home.
Yeah, it's a Ukrainian traditional dish, and you know, even for those who want to go on a diet, to keep fit, you know, it's a very nice dish.
Thank you. One of the first things you need to do when you come to Ukraine is try Ukrainian food, because people will be asking you, did you try голубці, did you try вареники, did you try оселедець? And you can comfortably say, yes, I did. I did all of testing of this food, and you can give your feedback. It's very important to us. Mom, what is your favorite dish here? What do you think?
Yeah, I was looking and thinking. It's too many good dishes, but yeah, I would probably go also with holubtsi for the same very reason that it's more diet, like healthier, maybe than vareniki, even if I love vareniki too. I would go with that meat plate. There is a pickled cabbage, which is very unusual and tasty. And then I would eat mushroom soup. And instead of a dessert, I would have just vareniki with cherries, my favorite also.
Thank you. What is this brown thing on vareniki?
It is fried pieces of salo, of pig fat. We call it shkvarki in Ukrainian. They are crispy. And yeah, this is how they done with vareniki. And it's,
What's the purpose?
well, the purpose is just taste, and also vareniki will not stick together.
There are mandatory dishes you need to try, and so these are борщ, голубці, вареники, оселедець, salo, and actually many others, but these are the top ones you should be starting with. I remember when I was little, I would wake up in the middle of the night shaking, asking mom, grandmother to feed me food. I said, please potato, please pickles. And you can see this food out there on the table. This is how much I care about good food. I was surprised that mother did not say that this dish was her top pick, because she always buys it. She likes to eat it. And it's, you said pudding.
Yeah, they call it black pudding. But yeah, I do love it. I do. I just wanted to pick not all of the dishes. I would pick all of them if I could in one time. I could eat so much. But yeah, it's made of blood. We made it. My parents made it, and I was helping them. We made it when I was a kid. It's made of blood, buckwheat, side meat, which is salo, and all of that mixed. And yeah, and it's healthy, I think, and very tasty.
Another authentic dish you can try at Seven Piggies. It's based on our secret recipes that grandmothers were passing along from generation to generation. And this is a place where we bond and talk to each other, take our time to eat our food and discuss the difference between the East and the West Ukraine, how your grandmother made this food, how your grandmother made it. Do I prefer it with ketchup? Do I prefer it with sour cream? And we just talk. And so when you come to this restaurant, you can also enjoy this environment. It's important to spend your time talking with people and getting to know them along with trying the cuisine.
О, Закарпаття це що словаки, угорці, там румуни, ну типу в плані от бігус. Я тут бігус. Перший раз я почула про це слово, коли бігус інфо розслідування робив. Да? А потім я сюди приїхала, дивлюсь бігус. Я така, ну ладно, давай спробуємо. А потім
Everything was so delicious, I was in my granny's house and everything was prepared, cooked with love, and I feel satisfied. Thank you very much. It is amazing, very nice, very sweet. I like home.
The subject of Ukrainian drinks deserves a separate video. The location is a little bit outside of city center. Behind us is the Seven Piggies restaurant, right next to Organ Hall. If you follow the tram tracks, it will take you to the city center. So it's about, I don't know how much, 15 minutes walk. You are walking up the hill and you're enjoying the architecture, because the beauty of the city is not just in a small Rynok square. It's not in a small center. It's extending up to here. This area is called New World. I've made videos about it. It became part of the center after they connected it with tram lines. And the architecture of the city will continue to amaze you even here. And this place is not touristy, it has a character. You will see locals here and you will see many foreigners here, all trying this, enjoying this Ukrainian authentic food of a Ukrainian restaurant. Vocab, kuchnia is the kitchen, kuchnia, kuchnia. This is where magic is made. Steel is table, steel, steel. Two is два, два. Стіл на двох, будь ласка. Стіл на двох, будь ласка. Стіл на двох, будь ласка. What did I say? Table for two, please. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye.